control scheme,
Try not
like
to be
kind
a
of the
jackass.
gameplay feel, is going to be where
You
that
got
is
more life
mostly
in you
going to
than
be.
your stupid cat.
Launchers,
Okay,
smash
we're gonna
pads,
need
all
to
that
put
kind of
this way.
stuff. We also
See that
have
down there, John?
elements. We have a cast here
That's
as well.
home.
All of that stuff. And it's going to be
Let's go home, John. Come on.
exploration will be extra into the world.
That's
But
it.
yeah, let's grab the bow. So this is what I don't know anything about it. We've got a normal attack. Pretty cool power here. Alright. Okay. We have a launcher, which I guess is just more arrows. I mean, what would you expect? It's a bow and arrow? God, it's so cool. Alright, let's get into a run. Out we shall go. But keep in mind as well, it is a roguelite. There is plenty of meta progress stuff to make us stronger. Who knows how far we're going to get on our first run here. Well, hello there, sir. We yeah, we can. We can launch them off the walls. Spirit's Blessing. So we've got kind of Hades-style boons here. What are we going to go for? Your Bolt, which is kind of it's, I don't know, how do you call it? Like it's your magic ability. Cast in Hades is what it is quite literally directly inspired by. But it rapidly damages enemies in a straight path, destroying projectiles on its way. Fire. Okay. Launcher does more damage. That is my triangle, which is kind of the charge up attack that fires a big arrow. Seems like it used up an arrow projectile from the reserve when we did that. When you recover health, gain bonus damage until your hits. Can stack up to 3 times. Kind of interested in this. So that's what that is right there. Quite neat. Relic Chest, Vitality Crest. I'll go for a Relic Chest. I do remember these. Oh boy, these guys can have armor, so we can't like launch them around and stuff as long as they have armor. Ooh, but once that's gone, we can kind of juggle them into oblivion. Ooh, what's that? Ooh. Well, let me open this. Scroll. Yeah, this does do the kind of Hades thing where it's like, here's a whole bunch of meta progress types of currency. Good luck. You won't really know what they are until you're kind of just faced with spending them later. So I don't know which one I should get there. Slaying enemies with your launch increases the damage of your attack by 18% for 3 seconds, and vice versa. Okay. I don't remember those. Those might have existed. I can't recall. I know there's mini bosses now for sure. Tribute room. Sure. May the wind guide you towards safety, where you will flourish stronger. 4. Sacrifice 20 health. May the endless ocean bring you treasure from the deep. Huh? Oh, sacrifice 20 health for extra max health.
You called me?
Celestial exchange
You sleep.
costs 20% less dust. I'm assuming that's just a shop, and that's gold. Sharbora. I do kind of like the idea of like focusing in on one. We'll soon have the situation where we can't. That's such a cool little thing. But we've got to get used to our little combos here. It's very much from a lot of the action roguelites that I've played. You can get really good at the moveset, you know? More than some others. Like, yeah, you can get used to weapons and some, but this is like, you're learning a platform fighter character. Or like a, or like you're learning a fighting game character moveset, you know? God, that feels so cool when you pull stuff like that off. Imagine when...
Can you tell us about any of the new features coming to this season?
Yes, we've got albums coming, and they're so amazing because they let you get new emotes